In this video, I'm going to be answering the question, how much money does YouTube pay you per 1,000 views? A lot of people ask me this question, so today I'm going to break all of that down for you. And also, if you pay close attention to this video, somewhere down the line, I'm going to share a cool little trick with you that's going to take your channel from 0 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers in a matter of days. I've seen people blow up their channel using this method that I'm going to share with you. It don't matter if you already have subscribers, this will still blow up your channel. This is going to be one video that you don't want to miss, so stay tuned. Okay, here in a few seconds, we're going to hop on my computer and we're going to go over some numbers. So if you want to do YouTube part-time or full-time, you can kind of get an idea of how much money you can potentially make. Now, before I do that, if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button so every time I drop a new video, you'll get notified. And also click that notification bell. Now, what we're going to be talking about today is based on the AdSense program. This is based on YouTube placing advertisement on your videos. This is not about affiliate marketing. This is not about freelance jobs. This is not about creating your own product. Even though those ways are great ways to make money, today we're going to be talking about strictly the AdSense program and how much money you can make per 1,000 views. Now, the type of money that you're going to be able to make with the AdSense program depends on the type of videos that you make. It depends on your titles, the tags you use. All of that play a big role in how big your paycheck is going to be. And also, in order for you to participate in the AdSense program, you must have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. But don't panic, because like I said, I'm going to show a cool little trick with you that's going to show you how to get to 1,000 subscribers really fast, guys. We're going to jump into it right now. Okay, my friend, we're here on my computer and we're going to go over some numbers here real quick. As you can see, I have a channel pulled up and this guy's name is Roman Atwood. He has a vlog style channel. His channel falls in the category of entertainment and people. His channel is very similar to Jake Paul, Logan Paul, Casey Neistat, all of them put together. And if you look at his titles and tags and his thumbnails, you can see that he does a video on pretty much everything. He don't target a certain niche. He don't target a certain product. He talks about everything. His job on his channel is to make people laugh, make people cry. He just make videos to entertain people. Now, he generate millions of views by doing this. He has millions of subscribers. I think he has another channel also. But guys, people love to be entertained. Now, when it comes to making money per 1,000 views, this guy right here, his name is Lewis. And if you look at Lewis' channel, his channel is called Unbox Therapy. If you look at his channel, his thumbnails, his titles, you can see that Lewis target a certain niche, which is technology. He talk about the new Apple phone, the new Android, the new MacBook Pro. When people watch his video, they're probably looking to make a purchase. So with that being said, guys, he's going to make more money per 1,000 views than Roman. Because think about it. When you go to YouTube and you're looking for a review on the new Apple phone, you're probably looking to purchase that Apple phone. So advertisers are willing to pay him more. He's probably making around $3 to up to $8 per 1,000 views. And this guy's probably making around $1 or $2 per 1,000 views. But when it comes to a channel like this, guys, you got to be, you got to come with it. This guy right here has been doing this for a long time. He knows technology in and out. If you're someone that knows technology in and out, then hey, by all means, start a channel. But it's very, very competitive because there's a lot of people doing this. Now, I know I got a lot of new people watching my videos. If you're someone that's looking to blow up your channel, I would say go with the entertainment because you can make a lot of money doing this. The good thing about videos like this, when it comes to entertaining people, you don't even have to make the videos. I'm going to show you a way that you can get videos and get millions of views. Now, what I'm going to be showing you how to do is not a long-term solution by any means. But if you're someone that's just starting YouTube, which most people are who watch my videos, and maybe you're someone that has a few subscribers, but you just want to blow up your channel, it takes entertainment videos to do that, because you got to think about it. Most people who are on YouTube are looking to be entertained, you know, majority of people. You got to think about it. A lot of people watch YouTube together as a family. So I'm going to show you how to do this, guys, without even showing your face. But eventually, you want to follow your passion. If it's technology you want to do, you want to make technology videos, then learn how to do it. If you want to do fitness videos or how to make money online videos like what I do, you eventually want to do that. But if you're someone that's here to blow up your channel, then you came to the right video. Now, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go over to Social Blade. Social Blade is a website to where you can kind of see how many views a person's getting every day, how many subscribers they're getting, and a rough estimate of how much money they're making every month. If you're in the AdSense program, you know that they pay every month. So we have Roman's channel pulled up here. And what we're going to do, we're going to scroll down, and right here where it says video views, you can look here and see how many views he's getting every single day. But this is what we want to pay attention to right here where it says daily averages. You can see he's doing about 600,000 views a day. And what we're going to do, guys, we're not going to pay attention to this where it says estimated earnings. We're going to actually go over to Social Blade's calculator so we can get a better idea of how much money he's making every month. So let's go over there. And you can see right here where it says daily views. I already have it programmed here. I got 600,000 views in here. And right here where it says estimated CPM. CPM stands for cost per mile. Cost per mile is what YouTube calls every 1,000 views. And you can see I got $1 to $2. Remember, he has an entertainment channel, so that's about what he's making. Or if he's lucky, he's doing $3. But he's doing around $1 to $2. And if you look over here where it says estimated monthly earnings, he's doing about $18,000 to $36,000 per month. Guys, that's a lot of money. And like I said, he has multiple channels. And these type of videos, guys, are not hard to do, especially if you're not recording them yourself. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do. We're going to jump into that right now so you can start blowing up your channel. Like I said, if you already have a channel and your subscribers just seem like they're not going anywhere, this right here will give you a boost. And if you just want to get to that 1,000 subscribers fast and you want to get to that 4,000 hours of watch time so you can get approved to get paid every month, you can do this. But like I said, guys, this is not a long-term solution. There are going to be a lot of people out here doing this. You know, once I put this video out, there are going to be a ton of people doing this, and eventually it's going to get oversaturated. To get started doing this method, you want to head over to Instagram. And what we're going to be doing is very, very simple. We're going to be finding viral videos on Instagram. We're going to download them and re-upload them to YouTube. This is not Creative Commons. That's what most people are doing. They're finding videos on YouTube and they're re-uploading them to YouTube. We're not going to do that, because one thing you got to know is YouTube and Instagram are two different platforms. There's a lot of people who watch YouTube videos that don't watch Instagram videos. So it's a lot easier for you to get views and subscribers from just getting videos from Instagram and taking them over to YouTube. And that's what I'm gonna show you how to do. And you can also do this method with Facebook. Maybe I'll make a video on that later, but right now we're gonna talk about Instagram. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna come over to Instagram and you're gonna use this little search bar here to find entertaining videos. As you can see, I have funny pet videos pulled up here. But you can pull up anything that's entertainment, anything that you think may work over there on YouTube. You can find it here on Instagram. Now, what you want to do, the first thing you want to do is click on the video and you want to play the video. You want to make sure that the video don't violate any of YouTube community guidelines, because you're doing this because you want to get paid. And if you violate their guidelines, you're not going to get paid. So play the video first. And the next step is you want to download the video. And I'm going to show you how to do that. It's very, very simple. You want to click right here. Now, you may not be able to see this because of my picture here or my video playing here, but I'm going to put a screenshot up on the screen so you can see where to actually click at to download the video. So you click on it and you click where it says copy link. And then you're going to go over to a website called Downloadgram. This site right here, downloadgram.com. And you just want to paste that link in this bar and you just want to click download video. It's that easy, guys. That's all you have to do. You got the video. Now, the next thing you want to do before you actually upload the video to YouTube is you want to do some research. You want to make sure that the work you're putting in is worth it. So how you do that, guys, you want to go over to YouTube and you want to find a channel that's very similar to what kind of videos you're going to be uploading. And you want to make sure that that channel has a lot of subscribers and they get a lot of views. And as you can see, for example, I have a channel pulled up here, Funny Animals, because that's what kind of videos I'm going to be uploading. And you can see that this channel has 81,000 subscribers and they get a ton of views. And they only have like 17 videos here. So you can see this working. And they're not making the video. They're actually doing the same exact thing that you're going to be doing, guys. So you can see that this actually works. Now, what you want to do is you want to look at the thumbnails. Notice that these thumbnails are very, very catchy. And you may be asking, how do I get thumbnails? Most of you probably already know. But here's an easy way to get thumbnails and how they're probably doing it. When you're downloading your funny video or whatever, you want to play the video and you want to find funny and catchy parts of the video and just screenshot it. That's all you do. You can do that multiple times and you can download or save the screenshot to your computer or phone and upload it to the video that you use. That's all you have to do, guys. It's just that simple. So when you get your screenshot and everything ready, the next thing you want to do is click right here where it says sort by, and you want to click most popular, and you want to look at their most popular videos because you want to see whatever working for them going to probably work for you also. And you want to click on one of their viral videos. I'm going to click on this one right here. Now I'm going to click pause. And what you want to do, guys, you want to look at the title and you want to use a very similar title because what's working for them is going to work for you also. But you don't want to copy the title exactly. I see a lot of people doing this. Don't copy the title exactly. Get an idea of what they're doing here and then just do the same thing, guys. And you do that same thing with the tags here. Now, how I'm able to see these tags is I'm using a tool called TubeBuddy. And like I said, I'll leave all the links below this video. All the tools that I mentioned going to be free. And you want to, this is what's important: the title, the thumbnail, and the tags. And you don't want to copy the tags exactly neither. You want to kind of get an idea of what they're using. And you can also look at multiple videos, guys, and get ideas from them. And this right here method, like I said, if you do it, it will work for you. And it works fast. But it's not a long-term solution. I keep stressing this because I don't want you to just do this long-term because it's probably not going to work in the future. You know what I'm saying? You want to brand yourself. One other thing before I move on, I forgot to mention this, guys. When you're downloading these videos from Instagram, most of these videos are going to be very short. People like to watch short videos on Instagram, but not on YouTube. So what you want to do is make compilations. You want to take multiple videos and you want to put them together and then you want to upload them. Here are some free tools that you can use to put the videos together. One of them called Shotcut. And you can download it. Like I said, it's absolutely free. And the other one is Open Shot. So this is how you can put your compilations together and then upload them. Like I said, thumbnail, good title, good tags. Just do this, guys, and you will watch your channel blow up. Hope you got value out of this video. If you did, like it, hit that subscribe button, because if you don't, you're going to miss out on a lot of great content, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.